Exercise 6.1 problem 6 discussion. In the figure, PC is parallel to QK and BC is parallel to HK. If AQ equal to 6 cm, QH equal to 4 cm, HB equal to 5 cm, KC equal to 18 cm, then find AK and PB. So let's look at the figure. So they have given us all these dimensions. Okay, more than that, the key point we need to look out for is this parallel information. So they say PC is parallel to QK. Now you take a close look at it, you can see two triangles AQK, APC. These two, you can apply Thales theorem for this triangle APB. Okay. Then they say BC is parallel to HK. BC is parallel to HK, which means you can apply Thales theorem to ABC, which means AH by HB will be equal to AK by KC, and on this triangle AQ by QP will be equal to AK by KC. So that is the key information. Parallel, then you look at the triangles and identify the triangles for which Thales theorem can be applied. And they have given all the measurements, which is also there in the figure. Okay, so given is all this information, but the key information, as I told you, is these two information, that PC is parallel to QK and BC is parallel to HK. We are asked to calculate AK and PB. AK, we are asked to find AK, which you can calculate by applying Thales theorem for triangle APC, and you are asked to find PB, which you can calculate by applying Thales theorem for ABC, right? The formula or the hint is a Thales theorem. Now, step 1, review the given figure. Okay, and as I said, when you review, find out the key triangles on which the Thales theorem can be applied. And the hint for that, you have to use these lines which are parallel. Okay. Now, apply Thales theorem for triangle APC. So, which means AQ by QP, AQ by QP equal to AK by KC, AK by KC. So in this case, AQ is known and QP is known, AK is not known, and KC is known, from which AK can be calculated. Right. Next, apply Thales theorem for triangle ABC. Triangle ABC. So here you will get AH by HB will be equal to AK by KC. So AK by KC is known, AH we know, and which means HB can be calculated. So once you know HB, okay, once you know HB, you know HB and you know HP. So HB minus HP will be PB. That is what you are asked to calculate, right? And AK we calculated in the first step itself. So the problem is solved. Okay. So please give a lot of importance to this information. This is the pointer for us. So with this only we will be able to find out which triangles you need to consider for Thales theorem. Okay, so what I suggest is you pause the video here and try to work this problem on your own, and on completion please come back and take a look at the solution. The solution. What's given? PC is parallel to QK, so which means AQ by QP will be equal to AK by KC. Right, so that's what they've done. So that is 6 divided by QP is 4 plus 5. So 6 divided by 4 plus 5 will be equal to AK divided by KC, which is 18. So that's what they've written here, the AK by 18. So this becomes 6 by 9 equal to AK by 18, or AK will be equal to 18 goes up. So 18 into 6 by 9, 9 will go 2 times, 2 into 6 is 12. So AK, half the problem is done, is equal to 12 cm. Now you apply Thales theorem for triangle ABC. So what are you getting? You know HK is parallel to BC. So which means AH by HB will be equal to AK by KC. So that's what is written here. Now you substitute all the values. What is AH? AH is 6 plus 4. So 6 plus 4 divided by HB we don't know. We need to calculate. Okay. And the right side is AK. AK we calculated here as 12. And then you have KC. KC is given there as 18. Okay. So 6 plus 4, that is, so HB will be equal to 10 into 18 divided by 12. So 6 will go 3, 6 will go 2 times, 2 will go 5 times, so 5 3 is 15 centimeter. Now we know HB, but we want to calculate PB. It is given HP is 5, so HB minus HP equal to PB. So that is 15 minus 5 equal to 10 centimeter is PB. Thus AK, which was calculated here, is 12 centimeter and PB calculated here is 10 centimeter. Okay, so I hope I made it clear. If not, please go through the video, but the key point is to follow this information. Okay, thanks for watching this video.